What is up, guys? Welcome to another tutorial. In our last tutorial we talked about Git initialization, and in this tutorial we are going to be talking about adding files to your Git repo. If you haven't seen the second tutorial, the link will be in the description. Make sure you watch that. If you have not seen the first tutorial, make sure you watch that too. I'll link both of them in the description below. So yeah, in this tutorial what we're going to be doing basically is we're going to be adding files to our Git repository. Now, in our last tutorial, those of you that followed up, this was where we stopped. And I also talked about it in the first tutorial that you guys should go ahead and install Visual Studio Code, because basically it's the best thing ever. So if you want to open your project with Visual Studio Code, all you have to do is type this. I'm sorry, not caps. I don't know why I like typing things in caps. Alright, this should open up Visual Studio Code, and we're just gonna wait for that to load up. Now that we have Visual Studio Code right here, you see, that's the awesome thing about Visual Studio Code. It's opened up with the folder, which means we can just, from this Explorer tab, we can just literally create folders, subfolders, files, and whatever. So what we're going to be doing here is very simple. So what I just need you guys to do now is we are going to click this little button here. Can you guys see it? Can you guys see the button? This one. Yeah, that's what we're going to create, and we're going to write this. We're going to create a readme file. I'm pretty sure you guys know what a readme file is. If you guys don't know what that is, well, it's basically just a readme file, just some descriptional text that you write on your Git repo, so that other people that are coming to check out your repo can understand what it's for. And yeah, so like I wrote in the last tutorial, I'm just gonna write this here. This is just for a tutorial. Of course, you can write a whole bunch of other things, and I'm just deciding to write this. And you can write thousands of words and all that. I don't know why I like typing in caps. This is for a tutorial. Yes, that's much better. So now that we have created a file in our Git repository, now we want to add it to our Git repo, because now it's not really added, it's just there on our computer. We want to add it to our repo on our computer. So what we're just gonna do is go over to your Git bash real quick, and you're just gonna type this git add, then you're gonna put a period, right? So what this is basically doing is telling Git to add all the files on the directory, which means whatever file is there, Git is gonna actually add it to our repo. So once we do that, it's automatically been added. So if you want to check out what you just did, all you have to do is write git status, and that's it. uh, we're just gonna see some information. You can see it notice our file, readme file. You see, you can write it, but we haven't made any commits yet. So we are going to talk about commits in the next tutorial, and this is a short one, but I'm pretty sure you've learned how to add projects. Of course, you can add various small projects. You can click new files, HTML files, whatever your project is about. You can uh, put it all there, then you can add it all here. So by adding the period sign, which means we're telling it to add all the files there. But if you want to add a specific file, all you have to do is git add, then the name of the file specifically that you want to add, which means you don't want to add all the entire file. So you just write the name of that file that you want to add, and Git will add it for you. So that's about for this tutorial. If you guys liked, smash that big red subscribe button, hit the like button, and yeah, guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.